Hi everyone, I'm Carolyn and I will be explaining the mean value theorem. So basically what the theorem states is that if a function f is continuous on the closed interval a through b and differentiable on the open interval a through b such that f prime of c equals f of b minus f of a over b minus a. So basically what this states is that if you have a function from the interval a through b, your endpoints, the line connecting your endpoints is called the secant line. And on that interval, there will be a point where the tangent line is parallel to the secant line. So where the slope is parallel to the secant line. And we can do an example of this. So here I have f of x equals x squared on the closed interval -2 to 1, and we want to know if the mean value theorem can be applied. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, this is b, this is a, b. So f of b, which is 1, so f of 1 minus f of -2 over 1 minus -2. So if we plug in 1 to the equation, we will have 1 minus 4, -2 squared is 4, over, minus a negative is positive, so 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then you'll get -3 over 3, which will equal -1. So at the point -1 on the original function of the graph, at -1, the tangent line will be parallel to the line that goes through the endpoints -2 and 1. So that would look something like this. So this is a simple parabola. So -2 is probably right here, and 1 is right here. So we have, that's the line that connects the endpoints, and then -1 is around right there, and then the slope, the tangent line there, is parallel to the secant line at that point. So that is how the mean value theorem can be used in that. And we also have another example. Some more real life applications for the mean value theorem is speeding tickets. So the formula f prime of c, let me just write it on here. F prime of c equals f of b minus f of a over b minus a is also known as the instantaneous rate of change, and that is equal to your average rate of change, which is this equation. So this equation is also known as average rate of change. Okay, so I have a word problem. So let's try, okay, where is it? Okay, so you're driving a car and you pass so once you start on the highway, so at 0 minutes, you're going 55 miles, actually, you're going 50 miles per hour, and then at 4 minutes, so 4 minutes, you're going 55 miles per hour. So if we're measuring in miles per hour, we need to convert the minutes to hours. So 4 minutes times 60 minutes over 1 hour, some stoichiometry for you, you will get 4 over 60, which will give you 1/15. So 1/15 of an hour. So we got that part. So now you get a ticket. Now you can use the mean value theorem to determine whether you went over the speed limit of 55 miles per hour. So we can use this formula. So we already have the coordinates, really easy. So we can do 55 minus 50 over 1/15 minus 0. So we'll get 5 over 1/15, and dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So we have 5 times 15, which equals 75 miles per hour. So at some point between 0 and 4 minutes when you enter the freeway, you were going 75 miles per hour at one point during that interval. So if you get a ticket, they can cite the mean value theorem because you went over the 55 mile speed limit. And yeah, that is the mean value theorem.